Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making spinach and glass noodle salad.
Just look at that. Vibrant green spinach, shiny glass noodles. A little crunch from the peanuts. It looks light, refreshing, and super appetizing. Alright, first, let's soak our dry glass noodles. They will soften while we prepare everything else. Now, wash your spinach nice and clean. Then cut it into bite-sized pieces.
That's it for prep. Time to cook.
Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of oil. This keeps the spinach bright green. Now toss in the spinach and blanch it for just a few seconds. Blanching removes the oxalic acid so the spinach tastes cleaner and less astringent. Once it's blanched, take it out and cool it down in cold water. This stops the cooking and keeps that gorgeous color. Then squeeze out as much water as you can. Now put the spinach in a mixing bowl and add in the softened glass noodles. Toss in some roasted peanuts for crunch and some shredded carrots for color. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of black vinegar, a teaspoon each of salt, chicken powder, and sugar, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, half a tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn oil, and 4 tablespoons of chili oil. Add some minced garlic and dried chilies on top. Then pour over some hot oil. That sizzling sound? That's pure flavor. Give everything a good mix until it's evenly coated and glossy. And there we go, a bowl of perfectly blanched spinach noodle salad. It's light, refreshing, and just the right amount of spicy. The ultimate summer dish.
Let me give it a try. Wow, so aromatic and tangy. The texture is just right. When it's too hot to cook, but you still want something delicious, this is the dish to make. Thanks for watching. See you next time.